Yes, now students. So the difference between two numbers is 2845. If the larger number is 9876, what is the smallest number? Smaller number. Here, larger number is given. It means minute is given and difference is given. If minute and difference is given, then how to find subtrahend? So if number means difference is subtracted from the minute, then you will get your smaller number. So, solution: difference of two numbers. Difference of two numbers. How much? 2845. No. The difference between the two numbers is this. Then first, the larger number. Difference is given. Difference we have to take last. Then first we have to take larger number. What is the larger number? Larger number. This is our minute. This is our minute, larger number. Then difference. Difference of two numbers. Two numbers difference is 2845. Then smaller number. After minusing, then we will get, if the difference between two numbers is difference is there and larger number is there, then we will get smaller number. Smaller number, difference and larger number. Suppose 7 is there and what we don't know, and this is difference is 2. This is the bigger number, this is the difference. Then how we will get smaller number? Then 7 minus 2. Bigger number minus difference. Bigger number minus difference, then you will get this smaller number, 7 minus 5. 7 minus 2, that is 5. In that way, we have to do. 6 minus 5 is 1. 7 minus 4 is 2. 8 minus 8 is 0. 9 minus 2 is 7. This is our smaller number. This is a smaller number. In this way we have to find smaller number. Bigger number is nothing but that is minute. Difference is difference only. Smaller number is subtrahend. Now, there were 4,312 bags of cement in a godown and 2,310 bags were sold out. Then how many bags were left in the godown? Total how many bags were there? 4,312 bags. Then how many bags they sold out? This many bags sold out. Then how many bags are left? Then we do minus here. Then total cement bags in godown. How many bags were there? 4,312. Then number of bags sold out. Number of cement bags sold. How many? 2,310. Then how many bags were left? Then minus it. 2 minus 0, 2. 1 minus 1, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. 4 minus 2, 2. 2,002 bags were left. Number of bags left. Number of is 2,002. This many bags are left. Okay. Now find the difference and check your answer. Here we have to find the difference as well as we have to check also. Then first from means this number we have to take. 7,777 minus 6,888. Now we have to check. Now we have to subtract first. So we have to take power from here. Here 6 will come, here 17. 17 minus 8. 17 minus 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Total 9. Total 9. Here 6. Again we have to take power. Here 6 will come, here 16. 16 minus 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 8. Again from here we have to take power. Here 6 and here 16. 16 minus 8 again 8. 6 minus 6 0. Then answer is, what is our answer? 8,889. This is our answer. Then check. How to check? Add these two. Means this is subtrahend and this is difference. Add these two. 6,888 and 889. Now add. 8 plus 9 17. 7 here and 1 here. 8 plus 8 16 plus 1 7 and here. Here also 17 and 1 here. 17. We will get this one. Now our answer is correct. Now this is also. First we have to take 7,896 and 3,947. Then minus. 6 minus not possible, then take power 16 and here 8. 16 minus 7, 9. 8 minus 4 is 4. Take power from here 18, 6. 18 minus 9, 9. 6 minus 3, 3. Then check. Your answer is 3,949. Check. This 3,947 subtrahend and difference. 3,949. 9 plus 9 16. 4 plus 4 8 plus 1 9. 8 plus 8 16. 7,896. You will get your minute. Here we will get our minute. Now here. Then here minus. How to do subtraction here? So see in this question. Here 8 is there. There is no 2. Here 8. So when we will get 6? So these two. So this is greater and this is less. So this is less means we have to take power from the next place. We take power from here. So it will get 14. 14 minus 8 is 6. Now it is correct. Here 0 is there. So we have to take power from here. Here we will get 9. 9 minus what makes 7? 9 minus 2 makes 7. And here what makes 6 here? 6 here, this is less. So then what we have to take here? Then add these two. 6 plus 5. This is 11. 11 means we have to take here 2. So after taking power from here, it will get 11. Okay, 11 minus 5 is 6. Here 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Here 10. Take here, it makes 10. 10 minus what makes 4? 10 minus 6 makes 4. And here, what makes 1 here? Take 5. After taking power, here 4 is left. 4 minus 3 is 1. Then 2. It means take power here, make 12. 12 minus 4 is 8, here 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. Then next, fill in the blanks. If make minus, then what happens? So we are getting, so before member, that is precedent. Precedent we get successor and predecessor. Successor and predecessor. If we add plus 1, then we will get successor, and if we make minus 1, then we will get predecessor. Predecessor means here 40 is there, 41 is there, we will get 40. 6,840 we will get. And here minute is same and here difference is same. When we will get same? if it is 0 here, then we will get the same. Then if 0, so 243 minus 0 is 243 only. 943 and minus 1, this is the predecessor. So when we will get predecessor? If we make minus 1. So then like this we have to think and we have to fill. Now find the difference between the largest 4-digit number and smallest 3-digit number. Largest 4-digit number is 9999. Largest 4-digit number. And smallest 3-digit number is 100. And we have to find the difference. Minus 9 minus 0, 9 minus 0, 9 minus 1, 9. 9899. So this is the difference between largest 4-digit number and smallest 3-digit number. Okay. Yes, now students, take the correct answer. So 4 choices are given. In these 4 choices, which one is correct we have to take. First, read the question. The number which is subtracted from the given number. Which is subtracted from the given number. Given number, so and so number is there. From the number, if any number is subtracted, so that number is called subtrahend. So subtracted number is called subtrahend. So then next, the second. 10 minus 9 is 1. Then 8 minus 7 is 1. 6 minus 5 is 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. How many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we add all this, then answer is 5. This is correct. This is correct. Now, here compare using this sign. Greater than, less than or equal. Then first minus this. 860, 120. Then 0, 6 minus 2, 4, 8 minus 1 is 7. This is 740. 900, 240. 0 minus 0, 0. Take here 8, 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. 8 minus 2, 6. This is 660. Other one is 740. Means this is bigger. This is greater. First one is greater than the second one. Then here 1000, here 200, 1000 minus 200, 0, 0, take borrow here 10, 10 minus 2, 8, this is 800. Then 975, 175, 5 minus 5, 0, 7 minus 7, 0, 9 minus 1, 8. This is also 800. Both are equal. Keep equal to sign. Keep equal to sign. 100 minus 60. 100 minus 60. 0 borrow 10, that is 40. Here 40. Here 120 and 80. 0 borrow 12. 12 minus 8, 4. Here also 40. They are equal. They are equal. Now 75 minus 20. 75 minus 5, 55. Next, 90 minus 45. Borrow here 10, here 8. 10 minus 5, 5. 8 minus 4, 4. 45, 55. So this is bigger. This is greater than. First we have to make minus, then after that we have to decide which one is greater and which one is equal. Okay, we have to write in this format. Okay, thank you. Yes, now word problems. So during a birthday party, Mr. Kakkar ordered 3,450 cups of ice creams. Then at the end of the party, 279 cups were left. This many cups were left. This many cups were ordered. Then how many cups were used? Means we have to minus. We have to do minus. Then total ice cream cups. Ice cream cups ordered. How many cups ordered? 3,450. This many cups ordered. Then number of cups, number of ice cream cups, number of cups left. How many cups left? 279. 279 cups were left. Then how many cups were used? We have to make minus. We have to do minus. Okay. This is 0. 0 minus 9 is not possible. We have to take power from here. It will get 10. It will get 4. 10 minus 9. You know 10 minus 9 serial numbers, consecutive numbers. The minus is 1. 4 minus 7. Again it is a lesser number minus bigger number. So minus is here lesser. So again we have to take power from here. It will get 3. It will decrease by 1. So it is increased by 10. Total 14 we will get. 14 minus 7 is again 7. 3 minus 2. These are two serial numbers, consecutive numbers. Then answer is 1. And this 3 as it is. Number of ice cream cups used. Number of ice cream used. How many cups used? 3171. Here number of ice cream cups left. How many? 279 cups were left. In this, how many cups used he is asking. So that means we have to do minus from total number of cups and cups left. Then we will get number of ice cream used in the party. Then next question. There were 9,000 people watching a match in a stadium. Due to rain, 2,479 people left. How many people were sitting in the stadium at that time? So now, total how many people were there in the stadium? 9,000 people. So due to rain, so this many people left. So after that, how many people were sitting in that stadium? So we have to do minus here. From total people to number of people left. Then total people in a stadium. How many people? 9,000 people. Number of people left due to rain. Number of people due to how many people left due to rain? 2,479. 2,479. Then how many people were there sitting in the stadium at that time? This means we have to do minus. Then from here we have to take power. From here it will get 8, here we will get 10. Again we have to take power from here, it will get 9 here we get 10. Again we have to take power from here we will get 9, here we will get 10. So then now 10 minus 9, these are the consecutive numbers, so the difference is 1. 9 and 7, 9 minus 7, from 8 to 9 we have to count, 8 and 9, 2. Then 9 minus 4, means 5 to 9 we have to count, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, total 5. Then 8 minus 2, 8 minus 2 means 3 to 8 we have to count, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 6. Therefore, number of peoples, total peoples sitting in the stadium at that time How many people they are sitting? This many people they are sitting at that time. 6,521. Okay. Now these two are the word problems. More two word problems are there. So that you do as a home assignment. Okay. Thank you. Now see here, enrichment activity. In this enrichment activity, so here first we have to subtract all the given numerals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 numerals. So that is from greater order, greatest to least one we have to join. So we have to join the dots. Whatever the dots are here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then whatever dots are given, that dots we have to join. So that is from greatest to least one we have to check. So what will come in the figure? First, 3 minus 1 is 2. 6 minus 7. Take borrow from here. It will get 6 here. It is 16. 16 minus 7. 16 minus 7 is 8. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How much? 9. You get 9 here. 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 is how much? 4. Then 1 minus 1 is 0. No need to write that one. No need to take that one. Next, after this, minus this one. Then take power here. It will get 1 here. It will get 10. 10 minus 9 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1 is 5. 2 minus 1 is 1. Next, 4 minus 9, not possible, then 14, here 2. 14 minus 9 is how much? Already we did many times all these subtractions. 14 minus 9 means from 8 to 10 to 14 we have to count 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many? 5. Take here 5. Here 2 minus 8, this is the subtihend. This is a minute, this is a subtihend. Minute is smaller, subtihend is bigger. So we take power from next. It will get 12. 12 and here 8 is 7. From 9 to 12 we have to count. 9, 10, 11, 12, 4. 7 minus 3 is 5 and now. Okay, now here 95 this is 95. 4 minus 5. 4 minus 5 is not possible. So take power from here. It will get 7 here and here 14. 14 minus 5 means from 6 to 14. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Total 9. 7 minus 9. Again minute is smaller, so you take from here to 17. 17 minus 9 is 8. 189. 189. So then 1 minus 0 is 1. Take borrow from here 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. Here 2. 251. 251. Now, so this is our first difference count of your differences. Now, here minus this side. So 8 minus 2 is 6. Then borrow from here, it is 10. It's 8. 10 minus 8 is 2. 8 minus 4 is 4 and this is 0. Then take borrow, it is 14. 14 minus 7 is 7. Here 16. 16 minus 8, 8. Here 4. 4 minus 3. 4 minus here 6. 6 minus 3, 3. 6 minus 3, 3. Then take borrow from here, it will get 10, it will get 2. 10 minus 4, 6. 12. 12 minus 6, 6. Here 5. 366. 366. Now 6 minus 5 is 1. 3 minus 3 is 0. 5 minus, so 8 minus 5, 3. Then take borrow from here, it is 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. Then here 2. 2 minus 0, 6 minus 4, 228. Now we have to join from bigger to smaller, greater to smaller. So greater, this is the greater one. Then second greater, this is the second greater. Join these two dots. Then after 1500, which one is the greater? So 4, 400, 300, 300, 300, 200. 492. 492. 492 is greater. 492 is here. And 426, 300, 300, 492. Now we join this dot. Now, after that 492, 492, 26, 426, join this dot. We join this dot. Next, 426, next which one? 380, 360, 387, join this one. Then after that, 366, join this one. Then after that, 301, join 301. Next, 250, 251, this you get 251 after. Then after that, 228, 228. Then after that, 189, 100, you will get 189. 189. So this, it is given in the picture like this, it is given, and here also it is given straight. The knot you take here straight. Like this we have to take, like this, so we have to take. Once you check in your textbook it is very clear, so but here it is roughly, so we are drawing here, so it is not accurate picture, so in the scale everything is clear there in the textbook. You try there, so I am drawing from greater to the least. You get from here, here to here, here to here, here to here, and here to here, here to here, here to here, and after that here, and after that here, and after that here. So like this you will get, and after that you check which picture it will. So okay. So the main thing is you have to join from greatest to the least difference. Greatest to the least difference. Here the greatest difference, the little bit small is this. After that here. After that again here. Then after that here. So it will get like that. Okay.